So, here it is. Thursday afternoon staff meeting, and it's the usual episodes from your department, which means you're about to yank your hair out. See, Steve's laptop is fried from spilled coffee again, so your team had to spend all last night moving all his apps and data to a new machine. And then you find out that the new upgrade you installed for the auto billing system isn't compatible with the accounting's invoice program. So now your team gets to fix all 17 machines by hand, not to mention the fact that you still need to deal with the hassle that is the call center. Since they have temporary staff sharing desktops, you have to make sure things are secure and data is wiped after each shift so that something doesn't walk out the door and cause a $75 bazillion lawsuit. When you got into IT, you thought you'd be creating solutions to make people more productive and help business grow. But really, all you end up doing these days is keeping everything up to date and making sure the company stays out of trouble. There's all these individual systems and applications, and you have to deal with them all, one by one. But what if there was an easier way to solve these kinds of problems, saving you time and keeping your users productive and happy? Well, with desktop virtualization, there is, and it gives a variety of flexible tools to help you do it. So now instead of having to spend hours fixing Steve's laptop every time he breaks it, you simply hand him a new one, and he can instantly stream all his apps and data from the central server. And with desktop virtualization, since the billing and invoicing applications are streamed from that central server, you now only have to fix an upgrade in one place instead of 17. And they have it as soon as they need it, no waiting around. It also solves issues with the call center, where the new solution keeps all that sensitive stuff on the company's server, while still giving everyone access to their apps, workspaces, and data to do their jobs. And, on top of all that, desktop virtualization gives you the flexibility to let your teams work from different locations with different devices. Choice and control are back in your hands, and you can now empower your teams and keep all your hair. It's time for IT to evolve, and desktop virtualization lets you focus on flexible options for your users, instead of just fixing the same old problems.